Hello everybody, this is my About Me video for the discussion posts and principles of social media marketing. My introduction, just a little bit about me, who I am. My name is Carson Turner. I'm 22 years old. I go to school at the University of Memphis Lambeth campus in Jackson, Tennessee. My major is, I'm a senior public relations major where I work. Back in January I did a marketing internship with Aloha Pools and Spas, which turned into a full-time job where I work now. Some of my hobbies include traveling, photography, creating, and eating good food. So why exactly I took this class? Well, I needed some electives to get the credit hours to graduate, and I wanted to take a class that would actually be productive and one that I would learn something in. So I thought social media marketing sounded interesting to take, so that's why I took it. How it relates to PR, since marketing and PR are kind of under the same umbrella, I thought this would be a good class to take for my career field, since PR professionals use social media in their careers. So that's why I took it. How it relates to my current job, I was recently given the task to create an Instagram page for our company. We're on Facebook, but we don't do a lot of marketing outside of Facebook, so we wanted to branch out, and I was given the task to make the Instagram page and manage it, so I feel like this class would really be beneficial with that. And as far as the two truths and a lie, number one, I'm introverted. Number two, I'm fluent in German and Spanish. And three, I'm distantly related to President Jimmy Carter. I look forward to this class, and thanks for watching.